Hello. Here we are. At Sucker Falls. Well, on the journey to the adventure, if you will. Not the adventure of a lifetime, but the adventure. I mean, do you want to come along? Let's go. Now. Oh. Look at this. Don't know what that is. But, we'll figure you out. Let's just take a photo. Where? Yeah, the water. It's nice. Because here we are. What a wonderful place. It's a valley. And birds. Huh. Come with me. Can you hear the birds? Many birds. How many birds do you think? Ooh, can you see the birds up there? They're flying high. Let's see what happens up here. Oh, more. There's chickadees, meadowlarks. I'm so excited to find out what. Let's go. We're running on the trail. This is incredible, right? Wow. What is it? There's a river down there. Let's go find out. Wow. This bush looks weird. Let's touch it. That feels hard. Wow. Why is it hard? Oh my. There's flowers. Nature, Tim. Why do plants grow flowers? I'll tell you. Let's go. Come on, let's find out. Oh, wow. More weird trees. This one has thorns. Why does it have thorns? Let's find out. Ooh. There aren't any thorns. Oh. Let's go. Hello. Yeah, it's beautiful here, right? Yeah, look. We're in a valley. Sometimes fire comes through the valley. Do you see all the white trees? They're dead. I know, it's alright. But when they die, they leave behind something better. that plants and animals can use. Isn't the environment great? Let's go see more. Come on, guys. You see the trail? It can be dangerous when you hike. Don't worry. Stay away from the edge. You'll be alright, okay? Let's go. Now, when you're walking on the edge, it can be dangerous. Do you want to stay away from the edge? Far away. There's so much beauty around you. You don't need to risk yourself. Okay, guys, kids, let's go. Let's see what we got. Shh, listen, let's walk together. My flowers. Wow. This is incredible, right? Look how beautiful it is, folks. I tell you, if you ever get a chance to go on the trail, remember, be safe. Nothing can stop you. Always pay attention. Right? Let's go. All right, folks. Let's go, guys. We gotta go see some people. See, when you go outside, sometimes when you go outside, there's friends. Look who we got today. Right?
Look at this new
Who is this?
Tevas. Athlete's Foot Tevas.
Who is this?
It's Ben. What's up, motherfucker?
Oh yeah, it's Ben. It's our friend Ben. And this is
Lainey.
Yay! Look at them. Are you enjoying your day outside?
Bye guys, see you later. Lit, we got lost. Good luck.
Well, anyways, we're signing off here. Nature's Time with Nature Tim. Y'all have a great one. Go outside. I'm working on it.